In episode 1.1, we stepped into Mandala 1 through Agni, the bridge of flame. In episode 1.2, we met Indra, the strength to rise again. And now, we meet Ushas, dawn, the first light. Ushas is not a distant idea. She's something you've already felt. That moment when the night is still there, but it's no longer winning. Because dawn doesn't arrive like a battle. It arrives like mercy. Slow, soft, certain. In the Rig Veda, Ushas is praised again and again. Not just because she is beautiful, but because she brings the world back. She returns order to the sky. She wakes the birds. She wakes the people. She makes life begin one more time. And that matters on a spiritual path. Because beginners don't only need knowledge. Beginners need hope. Not big hope, not dramatic hope. Just enough hope to try again. Some days the mind feels like a long night. Old regrets, old fears, old patterns. And you tell yourself, this is just who I am. But Ushas gently disagrees. She shows you something simple. Night is real, but it is not permanent. And here's the secret. Ushas doesn't ask permission. She doesn't wait for the world to be ready. She rises anyway. That is her teaching. Beginning again without fear. Not because fear is gone, but because light still comes. Think of how dawn works. First, the darkness thins. Then a faint color appears. Then shape returns to the world. The same happens inside you. First, you stop believing every thought. Then you breathe. Then you do one small right thing. And slowly, the day returns. Ushas is the part of you that says, start again. Start softly. Start now. And notice, dawn doesn't fix your whole life in 1 second. It just gives you a beginning. That's enough. Because a beginning is powerful. A beginning breaks the spell of never. So what does Ushas look like in everyday life? It looks like waking up and not hating yourself. It looks like trying again after a bad week. It looks like apologizing without pride. It looks like choosing one clean step instead of drowning in shame. Ushas is not motivation. She is renewal. And that's why she matters for spiritual practice. Because practice isn't about being perfect. It's about returning. Again and again. Like dawn. Here's a simple practice you can try. At home, beginner-friendly. When you wake up, don't touch your phone first. Just sit up. And take one slow breath. Then say very quietly, Aaj ek naya din hai. Today is a new day. That's it. No big ritual. No long chanting. Just a new beginning, spoken into the morning. And if the mind replies with old fear, don't fight it. Just return to the breath. Because Ushas doesn't argue with night. She simply rises. Now here's the deeper lesson. Agni teaches offer. Indra teaches rise. Ushas teaches return. This is our door 3. Offer what you can. Rise when you fall. Return when you drift. This is how the path becomes steady. Not through intensity, through renewal. So if you're listening to this feeling heavy, remember dawn. You don't have to fix everything today. You just have to let a little light in. And that is Ushas, the beginning that doesn't shame you, The beginning that doesn't demand proof. The beginning that says, try again. I'm here. In the next episode, we'll stay in Mandala 1 and meet another presence that brings a different kind of order, a deeper kind of steadiness. For now, take this with you. Even one small choice can turn the day. Even a small step can change the path. And if today is all you can do, begin softly. Begin anyway. Thank you for watching and for being part of this journey through the Rig Veda. If you're enjoying this playlist, please subscribe to ASA Hindu Wisdom. Your support helps us create more episodes like this. Thank you.